Hello everyone, in this video I am going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 core in a session February-March 2021 Paper 1-2. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1, Part A, complete this statement. The diagram has a rotational symmetry of order. So this diagram we have to find its rotational symmetry. So if I rotate this shape by 180 twice, it stays the same. So it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. On the diagram, draw all lines of symmetries. Okay, so if I draw this line, a vertical line, as you can see both the sides are identical, so it has a vertical line of symmetry. And if I draw this horizontal line, both the top and the bottom is identical, so the diagram has two lines of symmetries, the vertical and the horizontal. Now for question number 2, A part, on the grid draw a kite. Okay, so we have to draw a kite. So if I start from this point and this, and okay, let me draw this. So this is a shape of a kite. Okay, so this is the shape of a kite, and in a kite these two sides are of same length and these two sides must be of same length, and the diagonals of the kite, this is a diagonal and this is a diagonal, must intersect at 90-degree angle, must be perpendicular to each other, right? Now for part B, write down two geometrical properties of a rhombus. Okay, so we have to write down the two properties of rhombus. Rhombus has all the sides have same length. We can say all sides have same length. This is a property of rhombus, right? Rhombus is a quadrilateral having four sides. All the sides have four lengths, and diagonals are perpendicular, or we can say that diagonals intersect at 90-degree. Diagonals intersect at 90-degree. Let me draw the shape of a rhombus here. So if I can say up to 2, right? This is 2 centimeter, and for the bottom we can measure the 2 centimeter, and this is again 2 centimeter, right? So you can see all the four sides are 2 centimeter, and this is a diagonal, and this is a diagonal of the rhombus, and the diagonals are perpendicular or they intersect at 90-degree. So this is a rhombus having all sides have same length and diagonals are intersect at 90-degree angle. Now for question number 3, calculate the value of this. So let me use the calculator. Square root of 7.29. This is 2.7. Question number 4, write down the multiples of 9 between 100 and 110. Okay, 9 times table. We know that 9 times 10 is 90, and 9 times 11 is 99, and the number that are between 100 and 110. So 9 times 12 is 108, and 108 is between 100 and 110. That is 9 times 12 is a multiple of 9. Question number 5, part A. Then we round the number 4,896. She write down 4,900. Rahul says that then we rounded this number correct to the nearest 100. Explain why Rahul cannot be certain that then we rounded this number correct to the nearest 100. Right. So why he can't be certain? He can't be certain because round the number 4,896 correct to nearest hundreds or tens. answer is same. That is 4,900, right? So if she rounds up for 100, so the next digit is 9, so add 1 in this 8, so this is 4900. And if we round at the 10th place, so this is 9, so the next is 6 more than 5, so add 1 and 9, it becomes 10. So this is 1 and 0, so 0 over here, and 1 plus 8 is 9, so the same is 4,900. So the answer is same if you round the number up to the nearest 100 or to the nearest 10. That is why he can't be certain. Now for part B, we need to calculate this and give your answer correct to 3 decimal place. Okay, so 6.4 times 4 square, this is 102.4 divide 17.9 minus 6.1, 11.8, right? 102.4 divide 11.8 is this up to 3 decimal place, 1 2 3, so this is 9, around we have 8, so 8.678, 8.678 up to 3 decimal place. Question number 6. These are heights of 4 sisters. Number A, work out the range of these heights. Give your answer in centimeters. Okay, range is higher minus lower, right? So we need to pick the higher number. So 1.61, 65, 53, 58. 65 is the higher one, 1.65 meters. Subtract the lower one is 1.53 meters. Okay, 1.65 subtract 1.53, this is 0.12 meters, but we have to convert this into centimeters, so we have to use a conversion that 1 meter has 100 centimeters, and this much 0.21 meters times by 100 is 12 centimeters, right? Now for part B, the 4 sisters have a brother. The range of 5 heights, now these are the 4 heights, adding one more height is 18 centimeter. Work out the 2 possible heights of the brother. So we have given the range. As we know that range is higher subtract lower, right? So the range we have given is 18 centimeter, right? So let me pick the higher number, the same higher number, that is 1.65 meters converted into centimeters. So 1.65 times 100, this is 165 is the higher one. Subtract the lower. Let me find out the lower height. Let's say the lower height is the height of the brother, right? That is a first case, right? And the next case we will pick for the higher one. Okay, so what is L? L is equals to, shifting L over here, that is 165 centimeter subtract 18 centimeter. So from 165 minus 18, this is 147 centimeter, 147 centimeter, but we need answer in meters, so divide by 100, so we have 1.47. This is one height of the brother, right? Now let's do the case 2. For case 2, if we pick the brother's height is the higher one, range is 18 centimeter. Let's say the higher height is the brother and the lower height is 1.53. This is in meters, converted into centimeter. 1.53 times 100, we have 153 centimeter. 153 centimeter, and from here the higher height, that is the height of brother, is 18 centimeter plus 153 centimeter. 153 plus 18, this is 171 centimeters. So dividing by 100 is in meters, 1.71 meters. So these are the 2 possible heights for the brother, 1.47 or 1.71. Question number 7, work out part A. So in this we have to do 2 times of minus 3 and 2 times of 7. So 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 and 2 times 7 is 14, right? Now for part B, let me add the 2 matrices, that is 8 minus 5 and minus 6 plus 2. So 8 take away 5 is 3 and minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Question number 8. Sahil and Anika share $78 in the ratio of 5:8. Calculate the amount each receives. Right. So the total is $78 out of 5 plus 8. That is 13. 5 plus 8 is, yes, 13. So what is 78 times 13? And so 78 divides 13. 6. This is equals to 6, right? So it means they shared, right, for the Sahil is 5 and Anika is 6. So for Sahil, we can say 6 times its ratio. 6 times 5 is $30. And the second is Anika is 6 times, the ratio is 8. 6 times 8 is $48. Right. So that is 30 and 48. Question number 9. The diagram shows a prism. The cross section of a prism is an equilateral triangle. So this is a cross section. This is an equilateral triangle. This length is 4 centimeter. This is also 4. This is also 4. The base is the front side is an equilateral triangle. All the side lengths are 4. Equilateral triangle having 4 sides and all the 3 sides and 3 angles are same. And this is also a triangle, that is 4 4 4, right? The base is a rectangle 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter. This is a rectangle 4 by 3, and this is also a rectangle 4 by 3, right? So we have the 3 rectangles and the 2 triangles. Okay, so let me start. Okay, draw a net of the prism on the 1 centimeter square grid. Let me start the net of the prism from the front side, considering this triangle. So the front side, the bottom, and the back side, and the 2 left and the right sides, right? So it is 4 cross 4. This is 4 4 4, right? All the sides are 4. So if I start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So starting from this point, 1 2 3 4, and 2 over here and 2 over here. This is an equilateral triangle. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, right? And this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Then the base is 4 by 3. So this is 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3. This is a rectangle, and then the back side is again an equilateral triangle, that is 1 2 3 4 in the middle, right? So let me connect them. So this is a front side of the prism, that is the triangle. Okay, this is a base of the prism, the rectangle 4 by 3, and this is the back side of the prism, again a triangle. Okay, now the left are the left side and the right side. These 2 sides are left, right? Again these are the rectangles 4 by 3. So if I use the same 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4, this side, and 1 2 3 4, these are the 2 left and the right sides of the prisms. So this is the net of this triangular prism. Yes. Okay. Right. Question number 10. The number of passengers on the bus is recorded each day for 14 days. Complete the stamp and leave diagram. Key 1 5 represent 15 passengers. So 1 2 and 3. So first we have 15, and then 18, and then 22, 17, 35, 38, 24, 19, 19, 24, 25, 31, 36, and then 29, right? Now question number 11, the mean of 9 numbers is 17. 7, okay, the mean of 9 number is 17. So we have the mean. Mean is sum of the all values dividing by the total. So the mean is 17. This is equals to the first 9 numbers and then dividing by 9. Sum of 7 of these numbers add up to 132. So first 7 number add up to 132 and the rest of the two numbers 8 and 9, the other two numbers have a difference of 5. Okay, find the two numbers with a difference of 5. Okay, let's say the other two numbers are x and y, right? Because the mean of 9 number is 17 over here, and these are the 9 numbers dividing by 9, the total numbers. 7 of these numbers add up to 132. These are the sum of 7 numbers, and the 8th and the 9th number is x and y. Okay, the two other numbers have a difference of 5. So mean the difference of x and y is equals to 5. We need to find the two numbers with a difference of 5. So let me simplify this. That is 17 times 9 and subtract 132. This is equals to the sum of the two numbers, right? So here we have 17 times 9 subtract 132. This is 21. So here we can say the equation is x plus y equals to 21. So we have two equations. We can find the two other integers. Okay, let me add the two equations. We have the equation x plus y equals to 21 and x minus y equals to 5. If I add the two equations, we can cancel y. We have 2x equals to 21 plus 5. This is 26. And what is x? Dividing by 2, x is equals to 13. So the first integer is 13, right? So if x is 13, what is y? So x is 13, what is y? Put over here, y is equals to 21 minus 13. So 21 subtract 13, this is equals to 8. Okay, so the first digit is 13 and the second digit is 8, and we have to verify that the two numbers have a difference of 5. Find the two numbers with a difference 5. If we subtract the two numbers 13 and 8, its difference is 5. Question number 12, factorize completely. So here we have 9. This is 3 times 3. And we have t times t, w minus 3t. So we get 3t and 3t is common in both. Pick 3t common. 3 and t is common. 3tw is left. 3tw minus 1. So the factored form is 3t into 3tw minus 1. Right. Question number 13. Sanvi makes some biscuits. So let's say she makes X biscuits. She sells 5 by 13 of the biscuits. Okay, so 5 by 13 a sell. Now she now has 96 biscuits left. Work out the total number of biscuits she makes. Okay, so so she has 96 left, right? And from the total biscuit X, she sell 5 by 13 of the total. Right, so 5 by 13 of the total she sells. So subtracting from total, subtract the selling biscuit and we will get the remaining one. Right, so let me solve for x. We have 96 equals to x is common, 1 minus 5 by 13. Let me simplify. 1 minus 5 divides 13. This is 8 by 13. So 96 equals to x into 8 over 13. And to solve for x, the number of biscuits she makes is 96 times 8 by 13. The reciprocal is 13 by 8. Okay, 96 times 13 divides 8. This is 156. So she makes the total number of biscuits are 156. Question number 14. These are the first 4 terms of a sequence. Part A, write down the next 2 terms. Right. Let me find the difference between the terms first, between 29 and 22. 22 minus 29, negative 7. 15 minus 22 is minus 7. And 8 minus 15, minus 7. So it means subtracting 7 each time, right? So we have 8, subtract 7, we have the next term, and then subtract 7, the next term. The next two terms are 1 and minus 6. Part B, find the nth term. So for the nth term, since the difference is negative 7, so the nth term is minus 7n. So when we put n equals to 1, the answer is minus 7 times 1, that is minus 7. But we have 29. So in minus 7, what we add to make 29? So if I can do, let me check. To make 29, what we have to add? So in 29, make 29 plus 7, so we add 36. So let me check. 36 minus 7 is 36 minus 7 is 29, and when 7 is we have 2, 7 times 2 is 14, so 36 minus 14, 22. Yes, that is the nth term. That is 36 minus 7n, right? Question number 15, find the lowest common multiple LCM of 18 and 21. So for LCM, we have to write the prime factorization of the two numbers. 18 is 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 3 times 3 is a prime factorization. 21 is 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 and 7 are the prime numbers. Now for LCM, we have to pick the common multiples, right? So common is, we can see 3 is common in both. So we need to write down the common one, and the uncommons are 3, 2, 3 and 7. So times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, so we have 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. This is 126. Is LCM of the two numbers. Number 16, part A, write this number in standard form. Put the decimal point at the end of the number and move the decimal point between 5 and 6. So how much unit we move to the left side? 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 5.67 times 10 exponent 8 because we move to the left side. Okay, now for part B, calculate the product of the larger number and the smaller number from this list. Give your answer in standard form. So the larger number is a number with a positive power. The power 2, 1, 2. So 2 is the highest one, and from 2 we have two powers for 2. 6.2 and 6.18. So 6.2 is a bigger one. So the larger is 6.2 times 10 exponent 2. This is a larger number, and the smaller number with a negative power. This has a negative 2, negative 1 and negative 2. So the negative 2 is the lower one as compared to negative 1. So there are two numbers with a negative 2 power. This is 6.35 and 6.5. So the lower one is 6.35, not 6.50. 6.35, yes, this is a lower one. 6.35 times 10 exponent minus 2. Now doing the product, we have 6.2 is multiplying with 6.35, right? And we have to multiply the powers. 10 power 2 is multiplying with 10 power minus 2. When the bases are same, we add the powers. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 10 power 0 is just 1. So we have 10 power 1, right? Let me simplify this. 6.2 times 6.35, 39.37. We have 39.37 times 10 exponent 0, right? Because 2 and minus 2 is 0, right? So we have to move this decimal point 1 unit to the right side, that is 3.937, and in 0 we add 1. So this is 10 exponent 1, 3.937. Now for question number 17, triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle PQR. Find the value of x. Okay, so when two triangles are similar, we can do the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. So we can say x and its corresponding side is 1.61 and 3.2 and 2.8. So x divides 1.61. The ratio of these two sides is equals to the ratio of the other two side. 3.2 divides 2.8. So we can solve x is equals to 3.2 divides 2.8 and multiplying with 1.61. So let me simplify. 3.2 times 1.61 and dividing by 2.8, this is 1.84. X is 1.84. Number 18, part A, simplify. Number 1, we have x power 12 divides x power 3. So we have x power 12 and moving this power to the numerator becomes minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So x power 9 is the answer. Number 2, y power 2 and the whole power is 5. It means y power 2 times 5. This is 10. Y power 10. Now for part B, this is the equation. We need to find the value of P, right? So we have 3P equals to 1 over 81. We need to write down 81 as a power of 3. So 3 power 4 is 81. Yes, this is 3 power 4. And we can write this down as 3 power minus 4 by shifting it to the numerator. Now both the sides have same bases. So P equals to minus 4. Comparing the powers. Number 19, without using a calculator, work out this. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Okay, let me convert the mixed number into improper fraction first. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 4 times 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 by 3. Now do the product. 9 times 11 is 99 and 4 times 3 is 12. Simplify. Dividing by 3, 99 divides 3 is 33 and 3 times 4 is 12. Right, now let me convert this into mixed number. The base is 4. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1 is 33. So 8 1 by 4 is the answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Number 20, solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. Okay, so you have a system of linear equations. Let me apply the method of elimination. If I multiply the first equation with minus 2 and the second equation with 5, multiplying, right? So 5 times 2 times minus 5 is minus 10x, minus 2 times 3, 6 is 12, y equals to minus 2 times 14. 2 times of 14 is 28. And 2 times 5 is 10x plus 5 times 4 is 80y. 5 times 7 is 35. Let me add the two equations, cancelling 10y and minus 10y. 40 minus 12. 40 subtract 12 is 28y is equals to 35 minus 28, 7. And y is 7 over 28. 7 divides 28 is equals to 0.25. So the y is 0.25. Right, let me substitute the y value into first equation or second to get x 0.25. Right, now let's do for x. Let me put into the first equation. We have 5x plus 6 times of 0.25 equals to 14. Right, 6 times 0.25 times 6, we have 1.5. 5x equals to 14 minus 1.5. So x equals to 14 minus 1.5 is 12.5. 12.5 divided by 5 and divide 5, this is 2.5. So x is equals to 2.5 and y equals to 0.25. Number 21, the diagram shows a shape made from a quarter circle. This is a quarter circle OAB and a right angle triangle OBC. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeter and OC is 6 centimeter. Calculate the area of the shape. So area of a shape is the sum of area of a quarter circle and area of the triangle, right? So we have area is equals to area of a quarter circle is 1 by 4. This is 1 quarter. So 1 by 4 of area of a circle, that is pi r square, plus area of a triangle is half base times height. Right. So for quarter circle, we have 1 by 4 pi. The radius of a circle we have given is 5 centimeters. So we have 5 square plus half base of the triangle. This is a base. OB is a base, that is 5, because the radius, this is a radius of the triangle, circle, yes, 5, and 6 is the height. So 5 times 6. Let me calculate this. 5 times 6 divides 2. This is 15 plus 15. And what is this? 25 divides 4 is, and times by pi. This is 19.63. Okay, and adding 15, we have 34.63. 34.6 we can say. 34.6 centimeters square is the area of the shape. Right. So that was the last question of our paper. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.